Hi there, hardworking peeps! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Russell again, and you're here at RJ's Vlog. I'm hoping that everyone is okay despite sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa ating bansa, and I'm hoping this will end soon. Guys, let's stay safe and healthy, especially for our family. Well, anyway, ang video natin for today, we will revert from covering home-based jobs for today. So, etong video na to, for those who are asking if there is any phone application or if there's any way na maka-earn tayo ng money using just our mobile phone and our internet or connection, this video guys is for you. So today, I just wanna share an application that I found out in Google Play wherein makaka-earn tayo ng real cash by just playing games and by joining live streams. So ito yung pag-uusapan natin today. So if interested kang malaman kung paano maka-earn using just your phone and your connection, please stay tuned sa ating channel. I will be discussing all the details and do not skip this video para malaman mo lahat ng dapat mong malaman until the end of this video. And if bago ka lang sa ating channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button below. Also, you can click on the bell icon for you to be updated once we upload new videos. And if you're looking for home-based jobs, legit home-based jobs, using a computer or laptop wherein you can earn money on a monthly basis, you can also consider visiting my playlist, which is home-based jobs. Yung app na i-discuss natin ngayon, from where makaka-earn tayo ng real cash by just playing their games or by doing live streams, is called Kumu. If you wanna learn more about Kumu, just stay tuned while we are discussing this video. So sabayan nyo ako guys. So of course, you need your phone and an internet connection. So first, let's go to Google Play and download Kumu. So guys, I'm gonna share you my screen for my phone. That way, maging mas madali yung pag-discuss natin ng phone application na to. So let's open the Kumu application. So there, once you open it up, you will be routed to the home page. Yung home page, makikita nyo dyan, more on live streams. Kasi this is a live streaming app. So makikita nyo more on live streaming wherein you can earn diamonds, you can earn extra rice or virtual coins. So i-discuss natin lahat yan later on. So you can also go to your profile, which is this. So yan, makikita nyo yung mga details dyan, your missions. So meron silang daily tasks from where you can earn coins. So yung coins guys, hindi pa yan yung real money na ma-earn nyo kasi discuss din natin yan later. Tignan muna natin yung interface ng application. So you can also click on your wallet. So dyan mo makikita yung inyong payment. So if you will see there, the cash out, the first part, cash out. So yun yung total cash earnings mo. So you have also coins, diamonds. You can convert your diamonds for you to be able to earn cash. And you can redeem as well. Meron din ditong contest from where you can earn, you can win big prizes. So yan guys. Then you can also add friends. You can also add your Facebook friends and other Kumu users. So leaderboards, they also have their leaderboards for top gifters, referrals, and top earners. And top game show winners. Ganito yung itsura ng application guys. So most of the time, nasa homepage na lahat ng live streaming and game shows na pwede nyong i-join. So like this one, from the top, you can see there Explore, Play, Shop, and Contest. Yung usual na tab na ginagamit dito is yung Play tab. Yan yung mga game shows from where you can earn cash. So most of the time, you will just answer set of questions. Kapag nasagot mo lahat ng questions until the end, until the last question, that's the time that you're gonna win cash. Depende dun sa cash price na mapapanalunan. So, depende rin kung ilan kayong mananalo. Maghahati-hati kayo. So, guys, especially now na wala tayong ginagawa, nasa bahay lang tayo, you can also try this. You can earn small cash and just ipunin nyo bago nyo i-cash out. So, nagjo-join ka lang ng game shows, magkakapera ka na. So, libangan lang, ganun guys. Libangan, and at the same time, you can earn cash. So, yan, yung usual na, or yung most popular game show nila dito is yung Quiz Moko. Yung game show na to is from Mondays to Fridays, 9 p.m. siya ini-air. So, take note of that guys. Every 9 p.m. Mondays to Fridays, meron silang game show and there are corresponding prizes for specific days. So, yan, makikita nyo yan dyan. Meron din sila niyang may tama ka. So, more on quiz. Quiz lang yung mga game shows nila. So, let's go to the FAQs para mas ma-familiar tayo ano ba yung diamonds, ano ba yung extra cash, paano ba maka-earn dito kay Kumu. So, dun sa profile nyo, yung hamburger icon, click nyo lang, then support. Then, go to FAQs. So, mararoute kayo dyan. So, let's discuss this guys, one by one. So, yung first is general information. So, yun nga, yung Kumu is a live streaming application. Let's go with how to earn in Kumu. So, yan. Kumu is a Filipino social application wherein you can interact with fellow Filipino around the world. You can also earn real cash by joining game shows or doing live streams. So, there are two options for you to earn cash. You can do live stream or you can just join game shows. Let's go on to the game shows. First is extra rice. Ano nga ba yung extra rice? So, yan. Extra rice. Most commonly used this quarantine period. Kaya, after ng quarantine, guys, alam na. Hindi, yung extra rice dito, guys, is used kasi, di ba, yung game shows is more on quizzes. So, technically, kunyari, 10 questions. So, sa third question, nagkamali ka na, you will no longer be able to proceed to the next question. Parang out ka na sa game. So, wala ka ng chance manalo. Pero using your extra rice, pwede mong ma-revive yung sarili mo and kapag nagkamali ka, you can use your extra rice to still proceed dun sa next question. Yun yung gamit technically ng extra rice, guys. So, you can earn extra rice by sharing your referral code. So, you will have your referral code on your account. You can share that with your friends na hindi pa nakaka-download ng Kumu app. Then, once they have downloaded and created their account, it will be equivalent to 1 extra rice. And there are also live streamers. Nagla-live stream sila na at namimigay din ng extra rice. So, you can join din yung mga ganun live stream. So, not all live streams can help you earn cash, but yung ibang live stream can help you earn coins, extra rice, or diamonds. So, you can also join them. So, ayan guys, how can we join game shows ba dito kay Kumu? So, yun guys, napakadali lang ng pag-join. From the homepage, yung pinakita ko kanina, you can see there yung mga cover photos no mga live streams. So, you just need to take note of the time kung anong oras ba nila ini-air yung game show or anong oras ba sila nag-start ng live stream. So, you can answer 5, depends on the specific game show, usually 10 questions or 5 to 10 questions. Kapag nasagot mo ng tama lahat, even using your extra rice, that's the time that you're gonna be part of the winners. You're gonna earn real cash. So, ganun siya guys. Madali lang siya. Let's talk about yung Quiz Moko. So, yung Quiz Moko, it's a quiz game show where you can win cash prizes by answering 10 questions. Etong pinaka-general game show ng Kumu is Quiz Moko. And ito yung usually na matataas yung prizes. Sasagot ka lang ng 10 questions. So, yung mga questions naman guys, makaka-relate ka naman kasi more on Filipino questions din siya. Sometimes tricky questions. So, it's better to play with your friends and families at the same time. Kasi kunyari, hindi kayo sure sa answer, pwede nyong gawin is, kung hindi kayo sure sa answer, mag-iba-iba kayo ng sagot. At least, may isa sa inyo na mananalo ng prize. So, ganun siya. Yung isa namang game show na pwede nyong salihan is yung May Tama Ka. So, this is a user-generated game show where you need to answer 5 questions. So, sasagot lang din kayo ng questions. 5 questions, dapat tama yung sagot nyo. The choices are only tama or mali. It's like true or false. So, ganun lang siya. And you can have a chance to win 10,000 pesos. So, usually yung May Tama Ka, it airs every day, 12:30 p.m. So, now let's talk about live streaming. So, first, how do we do live stream? You can share your thoughts, passion, and hobbies by doing a live stream. Simply click on Carlito, the blue tarsier. So yung sa homepage guys, makikita nyo siya. Siya yung blue tarsier dun na nasa gitna. So, ang tawag nila dun guys is si Carlito. So, you can do that, and kapag kinlik nyo yun, may option to post. Aside from that, from posting, you can do live stream. So, you can click on live stream para mag-start ng live stream nyo. Then, you can go live. So, may requirement sila guys, yung 768 pixel by 1024 pixel or poster size image para dun sa cover photo nyo. So, meron naman silang guide dito for cover photo support. So, you just need to click on that if you're interested in doing live stream then. So, what are virtual gifts? So, ito yung makukuha nyo from doing live stream. Virtual gifts. So, virtual gifts are item given by viewers to the live streamers. It ranges from a 10 coin taho. So, taho, may mga nanibigay ng taho dito guys. To a 50,000 coin Malacanang. Live streamers will also get the same amount of diamonds as the gift, while the sender will get twice the amount of kurot points after sending the gift. All our virtual gifts are Filipino-inspired to make the feeling of true Filipino community. So yan guys, kapag nagla-live stream ka, sabi dito, you can, kapag may nagbibigay sa'yo ng gift while doing the live stream, you can get the same amount of diamonds as the gift as a live streamer. So then, again, yung diamonds, pwede mong i-convert into real cash. So now, let's talk about community. This is where users connect with other passionates about their skills, talents, and positive insights in order to share good vibes. Community interacts inside the live streams, games, and messaging features. Community guidelines have been made to ensure Kumu is positive, safe, and welcoming environment. So more on post and comments lang yung community na to. Guys, if you're interested to know more, you can check the community guidelines as well. So, ayan siya. And then, let's discuss about my account. So, how do we convert diamonds? So, ito na yung converting cash. So, for you to be able to convert diamonds, you should have 50,000 diamonds to do the following steps. So, once you have 50,000 diamonds, that's the time na pwede na kayong mag-convert. So, ito guys, iba pa to dun sa mga ma-earn nyo from, di ba, sasali kayo ng game shows, you can earn money. And ito, iba pa to. Kasi makaka-accumulate kayo ng diamonds by joining other live streamers and by doing live stream. So, kapag naka-earn na kayo ng at least 50,000 diamonds, you can convert it to real cash. So, first, you need to go to your profile tab, then go to your wallet, yung pinuntahan natin kanina, and press on the convert button. So, pwede nyo siyang i-convert. So, you can contact. That's for Android. Pero for iOS users, you can contact to use this link na naka-display dyan sa screen. Be sure to provide the needed information. So magkaiba yung process for Android and iOS users. So how to create an account with Kumu? You just need to download yung application, as basic as that. So, and Kumu currency. So there are 3 main currency. So yung nabanggit natin na kurot kanina. So, yung kurot na yun is one of their currency. Then, yung first na currency nila is coins. So, coins is their premium currency which you can buy from store. This is used to give gifts. So, yun na pag-usapan natin kanina guys na kapag nagla-livestream ka, you can receive gifts. Yung mga gift sender na yan, either binibili nila yung gifts na ginagamit nila or nakukuha din nila. Then, yung diamonds are the currency received by our content creators from users who love the stuffs that they're sharing. Receive enough diamonds for you to be able to earn IRL. So, kurot points, yung kurot points, yan naman yung currency used to get your levels. So, yung kurot points, ito naman yung basis ng pagle-level up. Kasi may mga level up din dito kay Kumu. So, may kita nyo, una yung manggang hilaw, then hanggang pahinog na ng pahinog yung mangga. So, kailangan nyong mapahinog yung mangga nyo. Ganun siya, guys. So, technically, yun lang yung information na kailangan nating malaman kay Kumu. Just to familiarize yourself kung paano ba kikita, ano ba yung mga terms na dapat yung malaman. Yun lang lahat yun, guys. And if you want to start earning and enjoying this Kumu application, lalo na nasa bahay ka lang, start downloading the application and create your account. Once you have created your account, you can start joining live streams, you can start joining game shows so you can do it with your friends and families. Parang libangan lang guys, ganun. So habang wala tayong ginagawa on our spare time, you can do this at home. You can ask your family and friends to join you. And you can have your strategies din as well para manalo ng real cash dito kay Kumu. So guys, yun lang naman yung mga gusto kong i-share about this phone application na nakita ko kay Kumu. So, legit na phone paying application to guys as long as you will be winning game shows. So yun guys, if you have already reached a minimum amount of 500 pesos earning kay Kumu, so pwede nyo na siyang i-cash out. And yung payments pala nila or cash out option is pwede siyang through coins.ph, PayPal, GCash, or bank account. So yun yung mga options from where you can transfer or cash out the money that you will be earning dito kay Kumu. So ayun lang naman guys, lahat ng information. So you can start downloading the application and enjoy the game shows and live streams. If you have questions regarding these phone applications, just feel free to comment down below and I'll make sure to reply to those comments. So thank you so much guys for watching our video for today and for staying tuned sa ating channel. Again, if bago ka lang sa ating channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Please also share this video to your friends and family para naman may mapaglibangan din sila while on a quarantine period. So if you are also looking for home-based jobs, meron akong playlist sa aking YouTube channel. So you can feel free to visit that on my channel. You can just go to my channel, click on the playlist tab, and then go to home-based jobs. So again, thank you for watching this video. That will be all for today, hardworking peeps. I'll see you again in my next YouTube videos. Bye for now.